What is DRT? Swami Vivekananda, an Indian Hindu monk, introduced yoga to the Western world. He emphasized the importance of reducing stress both in the physical body and the deep inner mind in his teachings. These relaxation techniques are part of the yoga practices, which are done at the beginning, middle, and end of the practice. Deep Relaxation Technique, DRT, is done at the end of the yoga practice. As the name suggests, the Deep Relaxation Technique, DRT, is a deeper and more intense form of relaxation. The entire body and the mind move together, connecting with each other during breathing. The main features of this form of relaxation technique are: DRT is done in Savasana, corpse pose. DRT is best done at the end of the yoga practice to release all the tensions while retaining muscle strength. DRT is done longer and is generally done for a minimum of 15 minutes. DRT is always done with the instructions given by a yoga teacher. DRT can also be done anytime during the day, provided the time gap between meals is a minimum of 2+ hours. Anyone can also do DRT even without the practice of yoga poses. How do we do DRT? DRT takes about 10 to 20 minutes. It makes the practitioner develop bringing awareness and letting go. It allows connecting the mind with their true inner nature, the source of wisdom and intuition. DRT takes the corpse form and can be done lying down or sitting on a chair. First, make yourself comfortable and try to relax. Try to scan your entire body from toes to head and relax each and every part of the body one by one. Make sure to solve any discomfort you find in your body. Now bring your awareness to the lower part of the body from toes to hip and then chant A once or twice and feel the vibration rise. Next, bring your awareness to the abdominal region and visualize all the vital organs in your middle body region. Relax the central part of the body, chant you once or twice, and feel the vibration rise. Now, move to the head region and bring awareness to each part of your head region. Then, completely relax the head region and chant M once or twice, and feel the vibration raise. Finally, observe your entire body and relax. Chant AUM in a single breath once or twice and feel the vibrations raise throughout the body. Now slowly bring your awareness out of your body. And imagine the vast sky. Expand your awareness as vast as possible, and merge yourself into the sky. Enjoy the infinite bliss and state of silence and awareness. Slowly bring yourself back to your body and chant AUM 3 to 5 times. Feel the resonance and massaging effect from toes to head, lightness, alertness, and movement of energy throughout the body.